Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about Nissan's new compact SUV, the Nissan Magnite. The Nissan Magnite was revealed as a concept a few weeks ago and is going to be the make it or break it product for Nissan India. Nissan has now released a new teaser video of the testing prototype of the compact SUV. Here are some observations based on the teaser video. In terms of exterior design, the production spec Nissan Magnite seems to retain most of the concept's design elements, including the large grille, the sharp creases and the funky looking alloy wheels. It has even the same sculpted bonnet and angular headlights. The Magnite will also feature large L-shaped LED DRLs on either side of the grille, along with strong muscular shoulder lines and squared-off wheel arches. The top spec variants are expected to receive projector headlamps, whereas the tail lamps will receive 3D LED elements. The top trim levels will receive funky-looking 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, whereas the entry-level variants will receive 15-inch steel rims. On the top spec variants, a dual-tone roof color option is also expected to be provided at launch. Coming to the interior, the new Nissan Magnite will feature a traditional design layout with some nice design touches. The interior is expected to sport a hexagonal theme with hexagonal AC vents, hexagonal pattern on the seats, while the center console will house a freestanding 8-inch touchscreen system carried forward from the Renault Triber. Interior space is expected to be comparable to other compact SUVs in this class, while also providing ample number of features. The top spec variants will receive automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, cruise control, automatic climate control, a semi-digital instrument cluster similar to the Renault Tribers, and armrests for the front and rear seats. This car will also receive smart keyless entry along with push-button start, while also providing connected car features and telematics control unit through the Nissan Connect app. In terms of practicality, the Nissan Magnite is expected to offer boot space comparable to other compact SUVs in its class, complementing all the storage options in the cabin. All the variants are also expected to receive flat folding rear seats. In terms of safety, the new Nissan Magnite will be providing dual airbags with ABS and EBD as standard across all variants. However, the top spec variants are also expected to receive side airbags similar to the Renault Triber, along with vehicle stability management, electronic stability control, hill hold control and smart key access system along with ISOFIX child seat mounts. In terms of powertrains, the new Nissan Magnite will feature two petrol engine options. The entry-level variants will receive the 1-liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine from the Renault Triber, producing 72 PS maximum power through a 5-speed manual transmission only, whereas the higher variants will be available with an option of a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 95 PS of maximum power through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic gearbox. The new Nissan Magnite will be launched by early 2021. However, an unveil is expected to happen by October 21st this year. The Magnite is also likely to be priced very aggressively with an expected starting price of Rs 5.5 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level non-turbocharged variant. The fully loaded top spec variant is expected to be priced equivalent to the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, one of its chief rivals. When launched, the Magnite will go against the likes of the Tata Nexon, Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, Ford EcoSport, Mahindra XUV300 and the Honda WRV as well. Stay tuned for further details on the new Nissan Magnite compact SUV. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this brand new SUV from Nissan. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.